Hi friends, I'm Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech Guru. In this video, I'll be giving you the tutorial how to install the MIUI 12 control center in the Realme X7 Pro device. As you can see friends, this is a Realme X7 Pro smartphone, and right now I did install the MIUI 12 control panel, which is exactly close to MI and Redmi phones. As you can see friends, this is a Poco X3 device, and you can see the control panel how it is, and you can see the control panel in the Realme phone. This is a Realme X7 Pro which I'm using. You can see the same control panel, and right now I'll try to give you the step-by-step tutorial how you can actually install this control panel in your phone as well. So make sure to check the links in description friends for this kind of live wallpaper what I'm using in my channel, and to check the links in description for the playlist as well for the Realme X7 Pro. The Realme X7 Pro, I did upload so many videos on this device, so make sure to check that videos. So let's get started friends, and the application name which is called the MI Control Center. So this is my favorite application which I'll be using in most of my phones. So the reason why I'm using this application, because I do like this kind of interface of this control panel which is present in the MIUI mobile phones. So that's why I want to replicate same kind of interface in the other Realme phones. So since the Realme notification panel is not so great and it's so kind of outdated as well, as you can see it's not nothing new and no other animations is going on here. So that's why I thought of installing a new MIUI 12 control panel here. So once you install this application, you need to give certain permissions. So first is that let me tell you to uninstall and show you from the step by step how you can actually do how you can actually set this notification panel. And even for this kind of live wallpaper TikTok, make sure to check the links in description friends for the wallpaper playlist. So there is a playlist available, and once you open this application for the control panel, so you will be welcoming with this kind of message that you need to give the permissions for all the three, as you can see friends. So just give permissions for all the three accessibility and go to this and enable this option and click OK, and just give the permissions for the notifications as well. So it is the notifications. So once you give permission for everything, you will just it will be open to the welcome screen, as you can see friends. And one thing is that there is two different areas. So one is for the left side and one is for the right side. So right side will give you the control center, as you can see here, and the left side panel will give you the notification panel, as you can see. So which is kind of very similar to the MIUI 12 mobile phones. Left side for this one and right side for this control center, as you can see clearly friends. So same kind of thing going on even in this MIUI control center. That's a really useful feature. So even if you want, you can enable this notification shade as well, so which looks kind of MIUI, but I don't use this kind of notification shade, so which is not the purpose of this review. So that's why I'll be using this control center only. And next is you need to go to the layout, and here you can add different options if you want. You can increase the tiles how many you want, as you can see here. Number of tiles you can increase, but this is a pro version as well. And in case if you want to I have the promo codes for the pro version, so make sure to join in my Telegram group. I'll try to post in Telegram group. So you can use the animations, you can use different options available here. As you can see, there are so many plenty of options going on. And next is the colors. So go to the solid colors, and once you are here, so try to decrease the transparency to 0. The reason why I'm saying is because you will get this kind of black interface which is going on. So usually I do like this kind of complete black background, so not using any other colors in the background, so which will be really good. So in case if you want to use, you can try your different colors as well, but some of the features or most of the features are like pro features, so that's why you may not be able to use so many things here. So brightness slider color as well, so where you can use the sliding color. So let me try to change yes, I think it's as you can see friends, brightness color. So you need to give permission for the brightness as well. So once you give the permission, it will be set here, and different color you can choose. So if you want maybe green, you can give the, as you can see, a green. So in this way you can customize so much of things friends. So even this customization is not there in the exact MIUI 12 mobile phones as well, but this much of customization is present in this application, so which is really good. So dynamic color notifications, background will be impacting. So as you can see friends, use the active tilt tile color for the inside icon. As you can see, you are getting so many different options and different things. So even I did not spend much time in this application, but definitely you will have so much of information here. So you can show the mobile data usage if you want. As you can see, show the today's data usage, how much you are using. So everything will be welcomed on the top, as you can see, friends, clearly. So this month and today you can see clearly how much data you are using. So that's a really good thing. Even you can set the warnings as well, how much you want. And there's so many things apart from the control panel. Replicate, there are so much of customization is available. Edge triggers from left and right and bottom as well, as you can see, friends, you can have. So there will be some kind of ads as well, so you can even disable the ads. So I'll try to show other method how to disable in the Realme phones the ads, so make sure to check. So vibrate on tap, you can use this option, and length as well. So as you can see, friends, show only on the home screen. So edge triggers, I think these are the edge triggers which they're talking about. So maybe just by pressing that one, it might be able to trigger the settings, I think. But mostly I would not use the edge triggers because I'm using the full screen gestures in this phone. I would not use this edge triggers right now. So that's it, friend. This is a quick overall review of this new MIUI 12 control panel in the Realme smartphone, in the Realme X7 Pro. So let me try to quickly show you. I thought of showing in the beginning, but I forgot. As you can see, Realme X7 Pro with the Dimensity 1000 plus processor. And for more this kind of interesting videos and more application reviews, so make sure to subscribe to my channel, Sai Tech Guru. And thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.